know. I'm working hard when I ain't on the phone. This ain't a hoe, this ain't a foe. Grind never stopping, I'm keeping it cold. Unlocking the door with the holy key. You supposed to be this close to me, and hopefully you.
Yo, what up? Today we are doing a what I eat in a day video, weekend edition. I haven't had anything to eat yet today. I just had a pre-workout and some water. Here's something I do almost every morning. Come outside and I walk on the ocean because it's beautiful out here. And I do it at sunrise. You get that vitamin D pause, but also just being out here in nature. It's like a cool way to start the day, man. I get my mind right, then I get it in. Now I'm about to go in and eat my first meal. Let's go.
All right, I just came in from a walk. About to eat 2 cans of sardines right now. It's 8:08 a.m. I usually eat these earlier in the morning, but it's Saturday.
I'm also gonna have some of this Coke Zero, trying the cherry flavor. I know some of y'all get all bent out of shape because I'll drink diet soda, say aspartame is bad for you, artificial sweeteners are bad for you. No. They may be bad for you. I'm an invincible black guy. If anything kills me, it won't be artificial sweetener. All right, so now I'm about to have a meeting. Yes, we do have meetings on Saturdays. Hey man, extreme success comes from extreme action.
I just had that first meeting. Now I'm about to drink a green tea and get a quick workout in.
Just left the gym and my girl cooked breakfast. Ow. Right. So what we got here?
6 eggs.
6 eggs. Blueberries. You can eat berries on keto. Like people act like they don't know that. Baby kale.
The green tea.
I drink like 3 green teas a day. Then I put the Splenda in it. Coke Zero. Cover them motherfuckers. Y'all scared of fake sugar. That shit ain't gonna do nothing to you. Well, it ain't gonna do nothing to me. It might kill you. You know what I'm saying? Some people die of eating a peanut for you, but only thing that can kill me is like a school of great white sharks. One shark, he don't stand a chance. But if like a school of them, like a team, that'll get me. What do you call a bunch of velociraptors? If you get a bunch of fish, that's a school of fish. If you get a bunch of lions, that's a pride of lions. What is a bunch of velociraptors?
Just call them squad.
A squad of velociraptors. Maybe if there's a paleontologist out here, you could tell me what they call a bunch of raptors. Is it a pride of raptors, a school of raptors? Is it a team? Anyway, a squad of raptors, a school of sharks, maybe like a Decepticon. Those are things that can kill me. If I ever die, it'll be one of those things. It won't be from artificial sweeteners, you bitch ass nigga. So this may be weird to y'all, but I even weigh my salad dressing, man. Cause it's got, salad dressing can have a good amount of calories. You gotta track all your condiments, you know? All right, so now that breakfast is over, her and I both gotta get ready to go to this event. Gotta speak. I didn't know what I was gonna say until maybe like while I was on the elliptical machine. I rarely write my speeches down. I kind of just write them in my head like Jay-Z and Lil Wayne. But not because I'm trying to be like them, just because it's quicker for me. Anyway, I'm sure everybody's gonna love it. Boy got $1, so I'ma come frequent like flight mileage. It ain't no secret. Just because you got good hands, I'm a great brand, so you can be living it up. Shit, I toss with nothing, y'all be running, me give up. Body trippy, yeah, we coming, yes, that back. Yeah, we walking with a body bag full of cash. Cut from a different rary, raise it like a flag. Unapologetic. We gon' keep running it back.
All right, so mic'd up. What are we doing?
I'm gonna drink some water, some hydration, because I'm about to go on stage. I ain't got no slides, because he wanted me to have the slides like days before. Now it's too much pressure for me, so I'm just gonna go raw dog to speech.
Who is make some noise for my man, Brandon Carter!
Niggas luck again, see that I'm winning, it's harder to watch. I'm setting the stage, you should give me my props. You ain't got no soul, you lacking the spirit. You talk out your neck, I'ma show you I'm with it. I would really hate for you to sit and watch me win again and win again and win again. I know it's probably getting on me and when I'm sending them, so if I ever win again, it's no I did the minimum, I didn't have to sell my soul. Oh, yeah. Please don't play no games with me.
So early after I spoke, I went and ate one of these. It's a bar, like high protein. And no calories. Yeah, I just ran in there and ate it, but I ain't film it because she had the camera.
Yo, Josh King Madrid, aka Jet said, I'm here with the man, the myth, the freaking legend, Brandon Carter, aka Keen Keto. We've been connected on social media for quite a few years. First time linking up in person.
Yeah, it is.
And man, this guy is freaking shredded. He's freaking rich. He's charismatic, and he's helped a lot of people become successful online, build massive businesses, achieve their health goals. And overall, he just has a solid mindset and mind frame when it comes to life. He's been through a lot of shit. He's achieved a lot of shit. And, you know, he's actually the one that inspired me to hop onto testosterone earlier.
Chefing up, cooking them pies, leaving no slice, believe on a guy who in demand and who got supplies. You on the land, me I'm fly, look at the miles.
We about to eat at this steakhouse restaurant. So we came to this restaurant to eat. These menus do this.
You slick speaking. Cut off if that hand reaches.
She didn't know I rented the whole place out, man. I said, you know what, baby? It's a special lunch for my special woman. Yo, so she got this bread. Mad bread. I ain't gonna eat none of this. Smell good though. They just baked it. It's hot. So the drinks, I got a cappuccino. It's like, what is this, made for ants? You know, and then I got another Coke Zero. I know you guys gonna tell me it's gonna kill me. It ain't killed me yet. 42 years, I'll still beat the shit out of you. Alcohol and a plate of bread. So this is like the exact opposite of what I eat. Like I wouldn't eat none of this, but you know, it's cool.
This benefits you.
Thank you, sir. So I got a steak. I don't have to weigh the steak. They said it was 16 ounces. So as it turns out, I forgot my scale. I usually keep one in every bag. I don't know what happened. So I couldn't eat the spinach, and I had to count each mushroom that I ate. So I couldn't eat the spinach because I couldn't weigh it. Spinach right here. I ate a few mushrooms, I just counted it. But I'm gonna bring it home, weigh it later, get it tonight. Know how I roll. You gotta see this. When I open the bill, bang, the bill lights up. All right, so we just finished eating. Now we about to go to the theater to see Fantastic Four.
Yes.
Fantastic Four, you know, Invisible Woman, Johnny Storm, Reed Richards, you know the vibes, you know. All right, so we came back and changed clothes. Look at that ass. And we about to go meet with the homie Jeremy. I'm having some green tea, third green tea of the day. I had the matcha and she made me some for breakfast, and 3 green teas a day, man. It's healthy shit. Jeremy rented out the whole first row for this movie theater. That dude got too much damn money.
Yo, what's up? You in a vlog? Say what up.
Welcome to the jungle house. You know, this is where I have inner peace. This is my sanctuary. You see, what you want to look for are the trees that go over the road like this and form a little umbrella over you. It's tree cover, and that's the neighborhood you want to be in. I'll tell you that. You don't want to be in it all the time.
Yeah.
Because it'll pull the money out of you. You know, it'll pull the money out. It'll make you slow down and relax. It's a golf cart kind of life out here. You know?
This is your golf course.
Oh yeah. This is where we're gonna drive over to the movie theater here. You know, and that's it. You gotta have a golf cart.
You gotta have a golf cart. You bitch ass niggas never took a golf cart to the movies, man. You don't know nothing about this. Yo, man, we out here on the fucking, we out here on a goddamn golf cart, riding through the Miami streets. I mean,
look at this car, bro.
This car just look at. I never experienced nothing like this in my life.
Look at the trees.
Look at the trees.
That's what I'm trying to tell people about.
Yeah, he's real hype about these trees, man. How they like cover the shit.
Yeah. We stayed in the States. Last time we did this, we was in the Bahamas.
I'm battling average. Gotta be great in everything that I dabble in. Only time that I plane is when I'm traveling. The way I carry the ball is like I'm traveling. Okay, you get it. I don't just do this to say that I did it. This was a gift and I'm filled with the spirit. I do not care.
What y'all think of the movie, man?
Classic
Yeah,
movie, you know?
it's pretty good.
Yeah, pretty good.
Pretty good. Ice cream.
You don't got the coconut, man. It's a pretty high on.
Getting back in the golf cart.
What?
Did you like the movie?
It was alright. I like the Jessica Alba cast better.
Yeah, Jessica Alba.
Wait, by the way.
So I'm back home. It's like 11:27. I need about 26 more grams of protein. Let's make it happen. All right, so I got 3.4 ounces of skirt steak. Gives me 23 grams protein. I'm gonna need 2 more. All right, so the 6 ounces of the sauteed spinach that I didn't eat earlier because I couldn't weigh, that gives me 6 grams of protein. So listen, I'm in good shape today, man. These are the macros for today. Fucking perfect. All right, so when I added the mushrooms, I end up with these macros. Pretty good day. There's more calories than I wanted because I'm in a cut right now. So I might have to not eat the sardines in the morning because it was really the sardines that put me over. The calorie they're good for bulking, but not when you're on a cut, I think, because they're in olive oil. Now at night, I switch to caffeine-free Diet Coke. The aspartame is not going to kill me. It might kill you. It's going to take a lot more than artificial sweetener to kill me, man. So I got this salt. I don't know what it is, some special aged salt from this fancy ass restaurant out here. It's a Michelin star restaurant. And I was like, yo, I love the salt. And they just gave me this shit. And so I take some of this, take a little pinch, and then I sprinkle this shit on anything. Get you some fancy salt, nigga. All right, guys, so that was my day. Worked out, had some meetings, wrote a speech, did a speech, ate at a restaurant, went and saw a movie. You know, that's how it's a typical regular Saturday. Tomorrow I'll get back to it, man. The weekend's still a work day, man. Don't rest. You can have some fun on the weekends, man, but you need to still be working on the weekend, man. Weekends make you weak if you just fucking chill. But it's all good if you love what you do, man. And I love helping people accomplish their goals, man. And I'm gonna help you accomplish one of your goals. If your goal is to become an online trainer, I got a free ebook for you, man. It's called The 10 Commandments of Online Training. Show you exactly how to grow your online fitness business, bro. Even if you don't have a lot of experience, even if you're not certified, even if you don't have a big following, we'll break the whole game down for you. Click the link in the description. People told me it wasn't working at one point, and we found out what the issue was. It's fixed now, man. So if you tried to download it before, try right now. Peace.